Did you know? By law, you have the right to fix your credit. This Credit Repair GPT is the tool towards reaching a 700 credit score.
Listen, this GPT has been engineered to do the hard work. All you have to do is follow the steps and take action. Let's be real. You need a tool that's up to date, not some ebook with outdated strategies. You need Credit Strategy Guru GPT.
Click the link. Get started building towards your 700 plus credit score. This GPT never sleeps. It has all the answers you'll ever need.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to be going over the Credit Strategy Guru by Rich Girl Code. It is a GPT that has been custom engineered to help you restore your credit, educate you on credit, or even start a business restoring other people's credit. This is definitely a tool that you can use on a consistent basis to make income, help others, educate others, as well as yourself, family members, all of that stuff. It has everything you need in order to succeed when it comes to writing your letters, the consumer law and all of that. All right, so let's get started. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is say, how do I use this GPT? Okay, so you just click the button, and then once you click the button, it will tell you exactly how you can use this GPT. All right, and as you can see, it's not like regular chat GPT. It has everything already loaded in for you. So welcome to the Credit Strategy Guru, your elite credit repair and wealth building strategist. I'm here to help you master advanced, fully legal credit tactics to unlock 700 plus score in real financial power. All right, so how to use this GPT? So first, start with the basics. Upload your credit reports. All right, and it gives you a link to annual credit report in case you don't have those. Share the following. No social security number is needed in this. All right. And then next, clean. It's going to say dispute and optimize your credit report. So use the tools to generate custom dispute letters. So you're not going to have those regular passed around letters that have been used time and time again. It's going to curate and take the data that's from your credit reports and create a letter for you based on that. All right. Let's see here. It knows all about the EOSCAR system and the methods to use to get past that. When it comes to building, it's gonna teach you how to add trade lines and boost your scores. It's gonna talk all about authorized users, and this is a really great tool for those of you in the credit repair business, because I was in the business for over about 7 years, and basically, if I had a tool like this back then, oh my God, like my business would have scaled dramatically, because when the clients are waiting for their results and things to happen, it takes normally about 30 to 45 days, right? So at the end of the day, this would be a great tool for them to use to educate them, to help them understand the process, to help them understand what it takes to even get them to that 700 plus, or get those things, negative items, removed from their report. Okay, because it's not about just getting their credit reports back up to 700 plus or getting things removed. It's about educating them, right, and how to leverage the credit once they get to where they need to be. So it says we've already uploaded the DIY credit repair guide, which is a solid base. When you're ready, I'll guide you in applying advanced strategies. So there is a credit repair guide that has been loaded into this tool that I've used for several years, that have helped me, help others, and that's what it's all about. All right, so let's go back so that it'll tell you all about what it can do. And then when you go back, there's a credit letter vault. All right, activate Credit Guru. Now, welcome to Credit Strategy Guru. All right. And it says, I'm your top tier credit strategist. And together we'll engineer your profile to clean and dispute negative accounts, build score using powerful legal techniques, unlock $250,000 in 0% funding for business, real estate, and lifestyle leverage. All right. I'm telling you guys, I've put my all into this because I know what people want. I know what people need when it comes to credit restoration. All right, and not just credit restoration, but leverage. All right, what are you going to do with the credit once you get access to it? Once you unlock the power of credit, what's going to happen? All right, again, it's going to ask for your information when it comes to your credit reports, because once you load in your credit reports, it'll be able to curate and create your letters and all of that good stuff. All right. And like it says, this is not generic credit repair. This is high level credit warfare. Okay. So once you upload your reports and confirm the above data that it has up here, it will generate custom dispute letters, cleanup tactics, and walk you through how to build and scale to funding. Okay. All right. And then let's go back. I just want to show you guys the Credit Vault. All right. Now, the Credit Vault is, welcome to the Credit Vault, your personal archive for elite level dispute templates, advanced challenge letters, and high impact credit repair tools that get real deletions and score boosts. All right. So we're not going to go through all of them because you definitely need to download the software in order to get it. But you can see the basics. Okay. Basic dispute letter, initiate a FCRA dispute with personal info removal, method of verification letter. Again, I have poured years into this the information that's engineered in here. I've had it for years. I've used it for years, and I'm not gatekeeping it anymore. I've just poured it into this tool and resource. So you guys, it will make it very easy for you guys to start fixing your own credit, opening and establishing your own credit restoration company, or whatever needs to be done. All right, because this repairing your credit is basically the tool you need in order to succeed. A lot of people are stressing now because they don't have money. It's because you don't have good credit. If you have good credit, you have leverage, right? And that's what leads me to money math. Now, money math is what I was talking about earlier. When you fix your credit and it's all cleaned up, what do you do with it, right? You need to know what to do with your credit in order to leverage it and for it to work for you. Not just go out and buy a car, not just go out and buy a house, or not just go out and go shopping, or whatever the case may be. Leverage it. Use other people's money to make money, basically. All right. So this is what money math is going to teach you, things like that. So first phase is credit cleanup. Like we said, pull all 3 reports, review, highlight, dispute, use dispute letters to challenge, remove outdated information, yada, yada, right? And then phase 2, you're going to build up. So it's going to take you through phases. And then once it takes you through the phase, as you can see, add trade lines, keep utilization low, diversify, all the regular and common information. Then once you get through that, it's going to because they'll already have your credit reports, it's going to tell you ways that you can leverage it based off of your needs, your reports and your file and what you can do. All right. So this isn't just it gives everybody the same information. It does not. It learns your data, it understands your needs, your wants, your goals and desires, and it creates a customized plan of action for you. Okay. And these are places that you can leverage to turn credit into capital, because that's what it's all about. So I'm not going to keep going down, because if you want all that information, all you have to do is download the software. As you can clearly see, this is not your normal Chat GPT. We have definitely put a lot of information, resources, and tools into this one toolkit right here, this one GPT. So if you're ready to get started, all you have to do is click the link to get started, and I will see you at the top.